Take command of the road in the 2015 BMW 328i xDrive. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, power moonroof, and cruise control. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.